apparently. Are you facing forward?
No.
Oh.
I thought that was a screen. It's just the mic part. I need glasses, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Some of those times where it was the sand, it literally just looked all flat. Like my eyes can adjust to the sunlight. So I'm a little slow in parts. That's why I can't see.
Sounds like excuses to me.
Oh, it is. Oh. Yeah, I thought you went on top. I was like, well, these trails don't look fresh anymore. And I see you to the left, like, oh, all right.
Well, then the trail I went down was steep as fuck. I was like, we'll see what he does. So I turned on the camera, and then you just came around the side. I was like, oh, all right.
That hadn't been touched at all. Even there was like 2 footprints from a critter.
From a critter?
From a critter.
Shoot, them critters. Sit down. Sit down.
Hey, what's up?
You picked a line.
Yeah?
Yeah. When you're in soft sand, sit down.
Sit down.
You won't ever get it moving without your weight on the back tire. Speaking of tires, these things are great.
Huh?
These things are great.
These ones?
No! Turn around! I think it's going to be sketchy either way. Here.
Yeah, dude.
It's a good line. Yeah, you just gotta get it. You need help? What?
Should I take it back down and try again? Or start here?
It's up to you.
I think I can start here.
I think so too. Get on this side of the bike. Well, yeah. Lean this way. Woo! Okay, now start it. neutral? Oh, hold it. I didn't mean test it. Yeah, whenever you gotta start on a hill like that, get your weight down, hold your front brake until it starts to drag, and then flat out and roll through it.
She'll take us with her.
Yep. Are you going up the sketchy line or around?
Where's the sketchy line? Oh, the sketchy line's like 90 degrees, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'll go around.
Okay.
I'll meet you on the other side.
I don't know if I'm going up sketchy. Are you in neutral?
Yeah.
Just coast down until you get past the bump and then hit your rear brake only.
Huh?
Coast, bump, rear brake. Let go. Just go. Go, go, go. Let off those brakes. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Let go. Don't hold down your brake when you're going down shit like that.
Okay.
You get sideways before that bump,
It's gonna be bad news.
it's gonna be bad news bears. You better get your fucking hand off those brakes.
I know.
Your hand specifically.
Yeah.
Get it the fuck off those brakes. Because you're gonna go down this now.
Okay.
And you're not gonna have your hand anywhere near that brake.
Nowhere near this.
And just let it slide, dude. You're not gonna go like
I know.
fast.
I don't know what I'm.
You're freaking yourself. Get off those brakes! Get off those brakes! There you go! There you go! Perfect! Good job. I saw your hand. You reached. I saw that shit. You reached for it.
I did. I would go, oh, and then I'm like, nope, let go, let go.
See? And it's better.
Yeah, it was. It takes 2 seconds.
It's just sliding down a hill.